Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to take a photo using the Instagram application and then edit using the Instagram filters. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone itself and the object that we are taking a photo of. So we can now go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then click on the upload button, go to photo, and take a photo of the camera stand. Change the contrast, go to edit, adjust. We can adjust or keep it the same. We will adjust. Done. Brightness. -17. The contrast, high or low, maybe number 29. The structure, very high. The warmth of the photo, keep it to 40. The saturation, number 70. The color, we can change the color to yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, blue, light blue, green. I think we will keep it to blue for the moment. Fade, yes, 85. Highlight, 57. Shadows, -13. Vignette, 57. Tilt, shift, radial or linear, or off. Sharpen the image itself, 62. And now we have edited a photo from Instagram's filters. Go to next, type in my camera stand. Use a couple of hashtags, computer science videos. My camera stand, okay. Share. The photo has now been posted to my Instagram account after we took the photo and then edited. Change the contrast. Go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.